Good morning. We'll be talking about keeping exotic chickens in Nigeria. Literally, you can actually keep exotic chickens here as far as you're in an environment where you can feed them with both, you know, wasted food or remain food at home. Or you can also supplement with the general agric feed or formulated feed, I should say. These are Brahmas and cushion. You can see the light Brahmas. I literally feed them almost anything, and you can see they're still looking very healthy. Because we all know Nigeria now, the formulated feeds are very expensive. So just to meet up their nutritional, you know, ratio in their system, you can also just serve them little of formulated feeds. I have like almost two male. Sorry, this is the second male, just to avoid clashes and fight. And he's bigger though. This has some little issues. He was beaten by the adult ones, but he's getting better though. So it's easy to just rear them, put them. They are just basically local chickens. Just the difference is they are bigger and they have their feathers on their legs. But as we all know, the light Brahma is one of the most expensive chicken right now among the normal dairy chickens, apart from the ones with the combs in their heads. Stay tuned for the next video.